Hey
Hey
there.
there! Welcome to Seesaw the podcast, real talk on all the ups and downs of Filipino adulting. Join Anya, Karel, and Yuji for tawanan, kwentuhan, and everything in between. Sabay-sabay tayong same here. Play with us on YouTube, Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and on socials. Everything at Seesaw PH.
Happy
Happy
New
New
Year
Year
and
and
welcome
welcome
back
back
to
to
Seesaw
Seesaw
the
the
Podcast.
Podcast.
Happy New
Happy
Year!
New
Happy
Year,
New
PG.
Year 2025!
Baka may butas yung ano ko.
Hala, ano yan?
May butas yung damit ko. Alam ko may butas yung
2025
there.
na, butas pa rin.
Sorry.
Oo, ano ba yan?
Wala. So,
Hindi,
nandito
okay lang
kami
yan.
ngayon
Normal.
sa, sa kwarto, sa bedroom ng ating
Yeah.
beautiful Gen Z.
Yeah.
So, this is located at,
Uy!
joke lang.
Address below.
Address is below. Joke lang. Sa mga gustong mandigaw kay Miss
Uy,
Gen Z,
single.
kay Anya, very single.
Yeah.
As of this recording, pero hindi natin alam
Mm.
by New Year in 2 days. Oh my God, in 2 days.
Marami nang kumakain ng grapes sa ilalim doon na table.
Grapes.
Oy,
Okay.
ginawa ko
Oh, di
yan
ba?
last year.
Last year?
Ako wala pa rin.
Sige lang, baka hindi daw grapes pomelo.
Hindi ko, ano da, mag-open ka pa ng
Baka
pumela sa
ibang,
gano'n.
para mas
Ano
intense.
ba? Dapat iba-ibang iba-ibang grapes. Isang grapes lang yun.
Hindi ko
Ilang
alam.
piraso dapat daw
Feeling ko
Ito,
ilan?
inubos ko.
Feeling ko
Dapat bilang kasi dapat na grapes.
12.
12
Diba?
daw.
12 na gano'n. 12
12
na.
na. Uy, grabe ka naman. Cleopatra to.
12 na, ano?
12 na grapes.
Feeling ko dapat galing Italy yung grapes.
Uy,
Huh?
para Italian din.
Mahilig ka ba sa ano? I mean, hindi hilig. Mali yung term. Pero preference mo ba yung other nationalities if given a chance?
Yeah.
When I was younger, gusto ko other nationalities. Most specifically Westerns. Feeling ko, match ako doon.
In terms of mindset, no?
Oo. Pero now, parang gusto ko na Asian, guys.
Yeah.
Oh,
So it really,
Kasi-
nag-iiba talaga tayo every
Oo.
year.
Oo.
Pasok din siya sa New Year, in fairness.
Real.
Diba?
Hindi kasi the reason why gusto ko na Asian is because na-realize ko importante sa akin yung tradition. Like, as a Filipino,
yung culture kasi.
oo, culture. Pero gusto ko most specifically, gusto ko talaga sana Pinoy. Pero,
Yeah, sa mga Pinoy dyan.
Oo, sa mga single dyan.
lumaki
And
sa
yan.
Western country. Kasi ako,
Bihira lang
Specific
na
yung
sa-
demographic
oo.
hindi,
natin.
hindi. No, guys.
Wala ka sa western country.
Hindi. I'm just saying, yun ang type ko. Pero open ako to everyone.
Mm.
Pero the reason why yun ang type ko, it's because gusto ko understand nila ang Filipino traditions. But at the same
It
time,
comes with
yung
understanding.
environment niya, the same sa
Yeah.
Environment.
how I grew up. Ayun.
So parang
At
hindi
least ba,
mahirap
same kayo ng,
mag-adjust.
oo.
Oo.
Hirap din mag-adjust yan.
You know. So, pero kung ano ibigay, why not?
Sabihin sa'yo, Lord, gusto ko ng ano, pero hindi yan. Baka
Wala
yun
nga
ang
eh.
gawin.
Baka nga yung... Joke lang.
So this New Year,
Oo.
anyway, no?
12 grapes sa table. Baka may
So,
mga,
mga may
dyan.
tips and tricks dyan paano
Yeah.
diba, maka-help.
Kayo ang magbigay sa akin ng
Yeah.
tips and tricks. Nandito na lang
Hindi,
kayo.
okay lang kami. Masaya
Oo.
kami.
Yay!
And iba-iba kasi. Iba-iba. And
Ah.
that's for another episode.
Iba-iba.
Abangan nyo, may
Hindi
episode
ako
kami
kumain ng
about...
grapes.
Hindi ka kabayan ng grapes.
Hindi.
Hindi
Yung
ko
akin
kailangan may grades or wala.
Intentional dating talaga.
True, that's true.
Hindi-
Kailangan
hindi
may
talaga sa
effort ka
darating.
din, diba?
Did you use a dating app? A dating app?
Dating app kami kakilala. Oo.
Hindi ko kaya.
May ganun ako dati na,
It
dating
helps
app.
kasi.
Pero kasi naging schoolmate ko na rin sa high school.
So may background kayo
Oo,
together.
parang same mag-TikTok.
It helps kasi yung dating app siguro, it's just parang another exposure platform for us to parang get ourselves out there. Especially for us na hindi masyadong
Masyado.
socially.
Lalo na
Alam mo
taong
yun.
bahay. Mga taong bahay tulad natin.
Yeah. Ako taong
Taong gala.
tao. Okay.
Tao lang.
Anyway, let's go back to the topic.
Yeah.
Ngayon, our episode would be building our 2025 adulting checklist. So, we'll be starting the year with somehow sana maka-help kami with your preparations in your adulting
Adulting life.
adulting sesh
Yeah.
this 2025. And also we want to add siguro some life skills na hindi usually nalalearn in school.
Mhm.
Yung mga ganun, 'di ba? Merong ganun eh na
Okay.
kailangan talaga nating matutunan. Minsan natututunan natin siya from experience na lang talaga pag napagdaanan natin. Pero walang nagsabi or nagturo sa atin or nag-prepare sa atin for that particular experience.
Mm.
Diba na, ay, ganito pala siya kahirap. Yung
Okay.
mga ganong vibes. So, first question ko is, what's a skill you each wish you'd learn earlier? Like, dapat dati ko pa ito natutunan or dapat earlier ko ito natutunan talaga kasi, diba?
Ako hindi siya skill.
Mhm.
It's more of like a fact na sana natutunan ko siya para yung main issue ko, na-solve ko na siya. Which is, I hope na when I was younger, I learned na I had the symptoms of ADHD.
Mm.
So kasi one of my biggest problems talaga is like my time blindness.
Mm.
Which,
What is time blindness?
time blindness is like,
Little context.
okay, time blindness is something related to like you don't know, di ba kasi ikaw, you have like an idea kung ilang hours na yung nag-pass or ilang minutes na yung nag-pass.
Ito
Ako
parang
yung within 15
consciousness.
minutes. Yes,
Yung
that's
level
it.
of consciousness sa time, no?
Time consciousness. Ako wala. It feels like, for example, feel ko 8 pa lang. Kung check lang ko, 10 na pala. So that's time blindness, which could be a problem when you have to learn or when you have to do time management.
Yeah.
So that's my big problem talaga. That's why I can't be as productive
As you want to be.
as I want to be. At the same time, I can't really do big progress in like day-to-day adult work or adult ano ba, chores.
Yeah.
Kasi yun nga, time blindness. So I wish when I was younger, I learned na I have, kasi ADHD is we call this, it should be diagnosed when you're a child. Kasi technically, it's a child-related disorder. So yung akin, na-diagnose ako.
Later
Actually,
na.
hindi pa ako diagnosed. It's just that
You know
I
the
just
symptoms.
I found out. Ngayon lang siya na-realize as a adult.
For me naman, siguro, number one talaga is financial literacy. No, na parang, kasi very, very important niya in terms of adulting. Kasi for example, even yung saving, walang nagturo. Wala tayong curriculum sa school, like, 'di ba, growing up na from the times na kids pa lang tayo until medyo high school or college. Kung hindi mo siya consciously na gustong matutunan or wala kang hindi mo love yung numbers in general, 'di ba? May mga ganun tao na parang may love-hate relationship with numbers. 'Di ba? Minsan may mga friends ako na nakakakita ng number tapos magko-compute ko na hatian ng bills. Hatian ng bills sa restaurant. Yung naglalag. Yung mga ganun friends. Yung mga ganun friends. So parang ikaw na
Parang
bahala.
bigyan mo ko ng 20 pesos. Yan, parang ganyan.
Alam mo ba, like fun fact, up until now, I can't do
Multiplication. Table.
Table. Like I have to
9 times 9.
80.
That's for another episode.
One.
Kaya naman.
Pero there's a log.
Ay, sabagay.
Minsan yung iba nagsa-shutdown na talaga, diba? Yung blackout.
7 times 7.
Ayan, yan na lang.
49.
Ganun ba? Ako din pala.
May
Anyways,
background naman ako sa math.
See?
sis.
Ang lakas ng loob.
Oo, lakas ng loob paano
Di ba yun?
naman.
Pero going back to the topic, financial literacy, di ba? Na parang,
Yeah.
kasi ngayon, na-realize ko na parang importante if you allot, kunwari, your money na nakukuha mo, di ba? Inaalat mo siya sa different like buckets.
Para may savings,
Di ba? May savings, may EF ka, may emergency fund ka, may savings, may investment, and iba pa yung wants and kasi tayo usually parang feeling natin pag nagsisave ka, okay na yun. It stops there. Na parang hindi lang ganun. There are other parang multiple ways pa to grow your money or even to make sure na may emergency ka just in case may mangyari sa 'di ba? So, yun lang yung parang biggest siguro na skill, adulting skill na I wish I had learned uh sooner, 'di ba? Or earlier. And yeah, even yung 'di ba, yung simple yung cryptocurrency for example.
Oh.
Yung kung you really need to kunwari part siya ng investment, pero you really need to have like at least parang knowledge about it. Kailangan mo
Kasi
talaga
yung iba parang
i-research.
gambling.
Mm.
Gambling.
Iba yung tingin ng mga tao sa pera,
Yeah.
parang gano'n. So, paano ba, yun, parang gusto ko siguro moving forward na ayoko maging slave ng money. Pero yung I'll make the money work for me. Parang yun
Yeah,
yung goal
that's
ko
good.
talaga, 'di ba?
Hindi ko alam sa kanin sino who said it or is it like some people na financially literate, ito ba yung common knowledge nila?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
I'm not sure din kung saan ko siya narinig, is it like in a seminar or what? Basta I remember na the best way to save money is through investment.
Mm.
Kasi, yun nga, sabi mo, di ba, na it's not like financial literacy is not just about knowing how to save your money, at the same time, how will your money grow?
Yeah. And another thing with investments, yun lang, may disclaimer lang siya
Oh,
na you just invest the amount of money na kaya mong
Mawala.
malose.
No,
Diba?
yan talaga.
Kasi investment is parang another aspect
realm,
of
yeah.
another realm of parang um financials, parang ganun. So, iba pa. Importante lang talaga siguro. For me, you start with emergency funds. Punuin mo muna yan kasi yan yung magsasalba sa'yo when the worst comes to worst. And then after that, sige, save. Save for everything na gusto mong gawin, wants and needs. Or wants pala. Diba? Then utilities bills, yung ganyan na. So, you really have to manage your finances very smartly. In a way, importante talaga siya.
Para hopefully wala na, passion project na lang lahat ng gagawin mo. Ganyan na lang.
Kasi that's what's
Oo, kasi, syempre, hindi naman kasi forever ang job kasi.
Yes.
Hindi tayo forever na magkatrabaho dyan. Parang ganun.
you're going to be a corporate slave forever.
Hindi yun yung goal. Hindi yun yung fantasy
Uh,
for us,
That's
na
like-
Filipino adults, millennials, and Gen Zs.
like in our, I keep on saying economy like throughout the podcast, but it's true though. Like the economy impacts our livelihood and our being of like as an adult. So ang hirap na you will be stuck in a corporate that doesn't paano ba siya na weird? Like that doesn't compensate the way that you should be compensated.
Yes, yes.
Pero, na-realize ko yan sa edad namin.
Anong
Sa
edad
edad
natin?
na-
Masishare ba natin sa mga viewers?
Yeah, I think
Like sa mga millennials, parang kasi di ba usually sa generation is parang I don't want to be a corporate slave forever. Pero sa tingin ko, possible din na makontento ka as corporate ka.
If-
Kasi masustain lang yung lifestyle mo.
Yeah.
Parang,
Depende
you just
din
want
eh.
the stability din. siguro.
oh, may iba-iba rin kasi parang,
Iba-iba ang
yung parang gusto niya na life din para sa
Yeah.
sarili.
Yeah.
Yun din. So, hindi rin pang lahat din yung
yung
Malay mo,
business
gano'n
nila.
talaga gusto nila.
Tsaka I agree kasi we have different goals. For example,
Oh.
'di ba kung goal mo na mag-stay dyan sa corporate job mo, kasi different depende iba-iba nga, 'di ba? Yung starting point natin lahat is iba-iba.
Oh,
So,
iba-iba
'di ba?
yung
For us growing up na parang hindi marunong mag-handle ng money, for example, gusto namin na next time hindi na namin maging problem yung money. Kaya gusto namin maging entrepreneur, mag-side hustle, mag mag check pa ng other like business or income streams na makadagdag ng pera namin. Pero with other kasi, it comes with privilege also na parang, ay hindi ko na kasi to need. Hindi,
So, why
parang,
do I have to
parang,
work for
parang
something
okay lang na
Oo.
nag-work ako, parang ganun. So, yeah. And yun lang. Siguro, yun yung skill ko talaga. Yung sa financials.
Financial literacy.
Yes. Ikaw, anong literacy? Anong,
Ang skill.
yeah, anong
Na-
skill na gusto mo? Sana, earlier mo siya natutunan.
Siguro yung talagang total independence talaga. Yung parang survival skills.
Yeah.
Like, ano tawag doon?
Life skills?
Life skills, yan. Yung parang matuto ka yung parang mabuhay ka talaga sa sarili mo ba? Parang gano'n.
Independently.
Kumbaga,
Very
ano tawag
independent na ba?
dyan? Girl Scout.
Pagiging Girl
Girl
Scout.
Scout.
Oo.
Oo.
Pagiging ready sa...
Sa
Yeah.
lahat. Diba?
Oo.
Kasi at the end of the day, diba, ikaw yung first and last na person na kasama mo, diba, sa life mo. So,
So,
it really helps na matuto kang maging independent.
Saka matuto maging alone sa life. Oo. Kasi, di ba, nasanay man tayo since, lalo na pag Filipino tayo, di ba?
yeah. Pero, ito din na parang as much as like we want to learn kasi nga, di ba, independency,
Oo.
we have to also realize na as human beings, hindi din natin kaya maging alone.
Yun.
All the time.
Parang
Yeah.
balance lang.
So, yeah,
balance
ayun,
lang.
balance lang.
Yeah.
See yun, independence, importante talaga siya kasi,
Magluto.
Kasi for you din siya,
Disposal ng
hindi lahat,
basura.
hindi every time kasi nandyan yung other people to do things for
For
you.
you, yeah.
Oh.
Diba? To keep you comfortable. Minsan,
You have
may mga
to-
instances, lalo na may mga, diba, may other Filipino adults here in the Philippines or even outside the Philippines na walang ganung privilege. Hindi lumaki. I mean, lumaki sila alone or, diba, walang
Walang guidance.
bumibigay ng needs nila for them.
Oh, okay.
So at the early age of ganito,
alam na nila.
diba, alam na nila yung,
Oo,
I mean, saludo talaga tayo sa mga ganun.
Ako din,
Oo,
pero
iba talaga.
Iba yun eh.
Diba?
the level of parang experiences.
Tsaka we're proud of those na,
Yeah.
diba, as early as like a kid pa lang, parang wala na silang aasahan kundi sarili nila.
Yung mga tao na like
Oo.
7 years old, 10 years
Yeah.
old, na marunong magluto.
Tsaka especially those
iba,
na walang nagte-take care ng needs nila. At the same time, sila pa yung more adult na magte-take care ng needs ng mga kasama nila, ng mga kapatid nila. For example, na parang, diba, na
Parang it's just so amazing when they're able to do that. No, like,
As early as that talaga, no? Lalo na yung mga nag-move out ng bahay nila para mag-aral ng high school, college. Iba rin yan. Ibang klase din, di ba?
So,
Amazing ba?
depende kasi talaga sa...
Hi, Nico.
Hi, Nico.
Hello.
Kiss mo. Flying kiss. Hindi mo ba niya? Pa-sweet naman. Cheerios. Para to sa
Cheerios. Grupo niya. Siya vocalist.
Sample daw.
Wala ko alam na kanta.
Yung Cheerio.
kasi like they're a band. Na band na
Oo,
make
daw.
their
Fish.
songs.
Like, nag-perform sila sa mga gigs sa somewhere na mga coffee shop ata.
Nice.
Yung iba din yung mga nag-move out pa lang at early age, yung mga high school, college. Yung mga kakilala ko na ganyan. Pero talaga,
Luwas sila, no?
Luwas sila. Iba sila magtrabaho din. Yung kapag, nila sa career, parang iba yung drive talaga nila, yung parang dapat, yung parang mas better yung life niya kaysa sa yung nakatira siya sa kanila. Yung ganun. Iba talaga.
Kumbaga may hugot.
Oo,
May
kasi
pinaglalaban sila.
kasi may pinagdaanan siya na hirap. Parang ganun.
Mm.
Yung parang, yun.
Proud
Mayaman
tayo.
talaga.
Proud tayo sa mga
Mm.
kakilala natin, friends.
Yeah.
Sa mga hindi namin kakilala na,
Oo.
alam mo yun, na parang everyday, lumalaban,
Oo.
nagpa-fight para lumabas dun sa current situation nila or topic
Yeah. Oo.
situation nila. And, di ba, kahit though, parang sabihin na natin, oh, malayo pa.
Malayo pa. Pero
Diba?
malayo.
Pero malayo na.
Kung
Yun.
titingnan mo sa ano, no, sa pinanggalingan, no, malayo na, malayo
Malayo
na yung
na. Oo. Yun din. So, dapat maging, ano yung sabi mo kanina? Dapat, dapat be kind to yourself.
Yeah, be kind to
Yun,
yourself.
yun.
Unahin, magpahinga ka din. Ganun. No?
Oo. Kami nga
Pahinga.
nagpapahinga na kami dito ngayon. Wait.
Tulog, actually guys, after
Yeah.
this, sleep na kami.
Yes.
Oo.
Sleep na
Ganyan
kami.
talaga.
Sleep, tulog na kami.
Pajama.
Sleep na lang. Sige.
Anyway, diba, going back to the
Mhm.
essence of Seesaw, the
The
podcast.
Seesaw, the podcast.
Yes, we'll be talking about our weekly ups and downs just to share it with you guys. Tas kayo,
Kalimutan ko. Kalimutan ko yung akin, alam niyo. Check ko muna sa cellphone. Hindi ko alam. Ano season, ano.
Diba?
Yung cellphone ko.
Weekly namin to ginagawa.
Minsan lang yun.
Kaya,
Yung cellphone ko.
kaya kami tinawag na Seesaw, the podcast, kasi pinag-uusapan natin dito yung highs and lows natin in
Wala
life.
yung aking cellphone. Hindi ko alam yung akin. Hindi ko alam.
Hindi ko it comes with age talaga, no?
Ha? Sa labas? Dito yun. Hindi ko, alam niyo yung sa inyo. Ayun.
Unta, no?
Eh,
Weekly ups and downs this new year, this 2005. Wait, antay natin si Ate Ka.
okay na ako. It's na.
She's officially back.
Yeah.
So going back,
Uy! Uy, laban!
going back. No, pag-uusapan natin dito, parang the core, the essence of Seesaw the podcast. We'll be talking about our weekly ups and downs, kung ano yung nangyari sa atin this previous week in our life, no? Like this new year, ano yung parang weekly up and down na masashare mo sa kanila. And then kayo, if you have like a couple of weekly highlights and lowlights, you should share those with us also. Where can they find us?
Instagram, Discord, X, and TikTok.
TikTok.
YouTube.
Saan? Ano username natin?
Seesaw PH.
Yes, at Seesaw PH. Please, let's continue the conversation. Seesaw PH, allegedly.
Hoy, lumaban kayo.
Anyway,
Yeah.
speaking of adulting checklist of
Yeah.
2025, what are your like wins and fails?
Wins and fails?
This, like ups and down mo this week.
Bumalik na ako sa, parang hindi ko na-check. Yung sa aking reading slab. Makabasa na ako. Grabe, tagal-tagal ko hindi nagbabasa.
What's the last book na gusto mong i-recommend sa kanila? Or recommendable ba siya in the
Really
first
good
place?
actually. Yun ang
Really good.
yun ang title ng book. Nakalimutan ko yung author.
Maganda siya.
Okay siya kasi yung yung babae dun, parang nakipag-divorce siya sa kanyang long time na asawa. Tapos parang gina-navigate niya yung divorce nung time na yun. Tapos parang makita mo lahat nung wala kasing problema sa kanila. Parang gusto nila mag-move on, which is mahirap. Kasi since high school sila eh.
That's the problem doon din talaga with
Long-term
relationship. Most especially if it's like a relationship na first time mo yun. Like,
first time yun.
First time, yes. Yun pa yung long term. Wala siyang
parang dependency niya rin.
Yeah.
Yun.
Exactly.
So, yun.
Ano mo kasi dito? Experience.
Pero yun, yung about sa, siguro, stigma ba tawag doon?
Yeah.
Yung about divorced woman.
Mm.
Divorced
Yeah.
women. Yun yung kanyang ginanavigate. Yung parang, bakit iba yung tingin sa mga divorced
Yung double standards talaga. No?
Yeah. O yung parang iba
Ganun
sa lalaki, iba
Iba
sa
din sa
babae.
babae.
Yun yung kanyang,
Parang iba yung tingin sa divorced woman versus
I
yung sa
will
divorced.
read that one.
Anong title? Sorry?
really good actually.
Really good action.
Yan yung kanyang.
So finally, nakabalik ka na sa reading.
Oo. Dahil doon sa
Habit.
libro na yun, kasi ano siya,
Really good.
okay siya. Hindi ka mabore. Oo, yun ang
Nice.
libro. Yeah.
Umiyak ka.
Ha?
Umiyak ka.
Wala naman. Pero pwede tayo umiyak sa libro talaga, yung Flowers for Algernon na book. Yeah.
The last time I cried, actually, medyo matagal na yun. Ano?
Pero
Yung Seven Husbands,
Hugo.
Magaling Hugo.
makaiyak pala talaga yun.
Mm-mm.
Hindi ko pa nabasa. Ito nabasa mo yun. Wala.
Alam ko lang siya.
Marinig kasi siya lagi.
Yeah.
Sige, try natin yan.
Ako naiyak ako pero hindi nakakaiyak yung book.
Parang doon mo na lang divert.
Hindi siguro yung pinagdadaanan lang ako habang nagbabasa.
Nakarelate kasi.
Hindi rin.
Nagbabasa ka. Tapos comedy yung libro mo.
Mga sabi ko, iba naman. Diba? Joke lang. Anyway, yun.
down na
Anong
pala.
down mo?
Hindi ako naka-exercise lately. Yun talaga.
Sorry.
Parang sabi ko, dapat magja-jogging ako tapos wala akong tulog. Parang, kasi every madaling araw, kailangan maka-jogging ako.
Tsaka diba, validated naman yun. Yung mga people na, kasi minsan mahirap maghanap ng drive din to continue, to be consistent sa healthy
exercise.
lifestyle, sa workouts, sa exercises.
Kumusta mga workout nyo in life? Wala na ano si...
Any thoughts?
Yeah. Kumusta
Workout?
healthy and lifestyle eh?
Next year.
This year na to.
Uy,
2025 na.
2025 na. February na lang, no?
Speaking of
Anyways.
ganyan, diba? Part lagi siya ng natin, New Year's resolution.
Oo, exercise. Yung mayaman dyan lagi yung mga gym eh.
Oo.
For 6 months.
Ano sabi dyan?
Membership?
Membership.
Oo. Yan sila yung mayaman.
Kasi
Ikaw,
nagsasubscribe agad yung tao earlier in the months ng first ng year. First
Oo,
months
kasi
ng year.
yung parang New Year's resolution ko to. Tapos
Tapos
bigla
by the end of
nag-samgyup ka na.
medyo, next year ulit. So yun,
Ikaw
sa workouts,
pala.
exercise, every now and then, na gagawa naman nating magbuhat-buhat. Yun lang. Pero consistency pa, siguro. Yun talaga kasi discipline and consistency. Minsan may mga moments kasi na sobrang busy tayo with work, diba? So minsan, tas natutuloy-tuloy na yan, hindi ko na nagagawa.
Parang nasabi ni Enya nung last, 21 days before before maging habit.
Yes.
21 days. Paano kung nagawa mo na siya 19 days? Tapos
20
nag-stop
days
ka na.
nga actually.
So,
Wala.
Parang,
21 days talaga dapat. Specific, no?
hindi, scientifically speaking kasi, di ba,
Yun talaga
may
eh.
basis yun eh.
Yun talaga sa utak mo.
Wag kang
21 days is 3 weeks also.
What if, no? Kunting days, 21. Sige na,
3
tama.
weeks, technically. So parang, habit building talaga siguro yun.
Gawin talaga siyang habit.
21 days, sorry.
Oo.
Anyway, ako naman, weekly ups and downs ko. This week siguro, oh my God.
Wow.
And as a weekly up, yung highlight ko this week was, really, parang, siguro may na-feel ako after a long time. Parang may na-feel akong sense of fulfillment and accomplishment sa year na lumipas. Professionally speaking, parang gano'n. Kasi parang, di ba, sa mga first part of the year kasi madami kayong plans, madami kayong KPIs kunwari sa work na gustong i-hit. And by this time, na luckily, hindi man luckily, it comes with really hard work and may effort naman talaga tayo sa work. So, na-check natin yung mga bucket list. Na-tick natin yung mga KPIs na dapat natin i-hit
Yeah.
mga targets sa work. So, medyo
Oo.
medyo
Na-promote.
fulfilling.
Na-promote ka din. Tapos may clients pa.
This
Yay!
this year. Ayun, part naman siya. This year promoted. Last year promoted
Ay, sikreto
2024.
ba yan?
Oo, guys,
Ay,
secret
so
na.
what?
Huwag sabihin. Hindi alam
Secret
ng
lang
family.
tayo lang.
Aten
Tayo.
tayo lang
Natin
to.
lang yan.
Diba?
Walang ano.
Sige.
Ilan lang naman tayo eh.
Oo naman eh.
Tapos sa downs naman, siguro, naiyak ako.
Kaya ka.
Hindi kasi mahapdi ang mata ko eh.
Wala kasing tulog.
Maliban sa wala.
Sleep. You need to sleep
Yeah,
na.
maliban sa wala
Yeah.
akong tulog. Yun lang, minsan may mga nane-neglect tayong mga needs ng sarili natin. And,
Sobrang
Oh,
trabaho.
okay.
di ba? Wait, oh. Kasi Christmas last time, yan
Oo.
siguro, medyo down lang siya kasi quarter life pa rin ba to? Medyo
Quarter life
quarter
ba
life
yan?
crisis pa
Hindi,
rin.
mag-30 ka na eh.
Uy! Age.
2 years pa.
Ano?
2 years pa.
2 years pa.
Age doxing.
Ang ginagawa ko niya ng 28.
Sobra.
28 ata for burnout yan. Kasi yan kasi yung time na parang nagmamadali ka na before
So,
mag-30.
may nahabol kayo before 30.
Mo parang may nahabol.
Ang dami ko nahabol.
Diba? Mababurnout ka niyan, girl.
Pagod. So, pagod na siya.
Kaya, yun.
So, anyway, yun yung weekly ups and downs.
Yeah.
This week. Yung parang na-feel ko talaga siya this week. Intensely. Ikaw, so yung Gen Z baby.
Jancy baby. Well, my highlight. Could it be like in general?
Yeah.
I survived this year.
Yun, biggest win.
Kayo din ba? Congrats to us
I
all.
survived this
Yeah.
year. Oh my god.
So proud of you. And you,
Grabe din talaga ka ano ng year na to.
iba siya.
I know.
Challenging siya.
Parang iba.
In
Iba
all
ang
aspects.
2024 ngayon.
Especially those na bumabangon pa lang from like sa
Yung
mga
nag-start.
natural disasters
Oh, yun.
na dumaan sa Philippines this year.
Grabe.
It's been devastating talaga,
prayers
guys.
po. Prayers
Parang
talaga.
3 bagyo ata yun. Dumating.
Tatlo.
Tatlo
kasi
yun,
after
sunod-sunod.
Christine, may isa pa. Tapos yung sa Pepito.
3. Basta 3 yung parang malalaking ano. Oo.
Yeah.
So, hindi talaga biro din.
So yeah, that's my highlight talaga. I survived this year
Yeah.
with like a smile on my face.
Yay.
And
Yeah.
I'm still living.
Yeah.
Low light would be my path, like the career I want to pursue talaga.
So parang confusing. Yung
Oo,
time.
feeling ko na siya, identity, din siya, crisis or identity confusion. Kasi, I have a lot of things that I'm really passionate about, pero hindi ko alam kung sino yung, or ano yung ipa-prioritize.
Uy.
So, that's my low light.
Parang yung sabi mo kanina yung time. Mahirapan din. Mahirapan din ang time blindness.
Kasi ang dami kong gustong gawin sa life. Pero hindi ko alam.
Saan doon na mauna.
Oo. Pero,
mahirap talaga.
Sobrang overwhelming lang siguro.
Overwhelming. Wala ka tuloy magawa sa isa doon. Parang, possible.
but it's okay. No. We
Sige mo, Jake. Alam ako.
gotta fake it till we make it.
Yes.
Yeah.
And sa akin lang siguro, ma-advise ko lang dyan, ang dami nating gustong i-pursue na path. It starts with starting.
Starting
Diba? It
over
begins
again.
with starting talaga. Na
Yeah.
parang small steps.
Yeah, actually, every step you take is a progress already. So when you start, you're taking a small step.
Yeah.
Step.
Pero closer to your goal.
Go.
Diba? That's,
At least, diba, there's movement.
yeah.
Rather than being stagnant.
True.
Yeah. So that's our ups and downs this week. And hopefully you can also share your ups and downs on our socials. Alam niyo na kung saan kami mahanap. Hopefully by this time. At CISO PH, yes. And you can share your ups and downs, highlights, lowlights, and let's talk about those, with us. We'll try to reply. We'll try to have a conversation with you guys.
We would love to.
Yes. And we know how hard it is to be adults in this time, in this economy, in this country. So, yeah, let's talk.
Mm.
So, meron tayong ano kasi ngayon,
Oh.
'di ba, parang speaking of New Year's resolution,
Mm.
ano yung parang gusto nyong
Hello.
habit or skill na matutunan
Ay,
this year naman?
yes.
Ay, hindi naman ibig sabihin na naumpisahan niyo na siya.
Oo.
Ano lang yung parang, uy, gusto ko 'tong matutunan this year, gusto ko 'tong gawin this year, gusto kong ma-achieve to this year. What's that one thing na gusto niyo parang i-master, for example, this 2025?
2025?
Go
Ikaw.
For me,
No!
wow.
Always on
Uy,
Hey!
baka always ilang episodes pa lang tayo.
Ano,
Anyway, siguro gusto ko ma-master this year. Doon pa rin talaga babalik sa financial literacy. Kasi medyo medyo kalat-kalat pa yung finances natin ngayon. And I really want to make sure na medyo may pinag-iipunan kasi tayo 'di ba? Na parang nasa stage na ako na may plans ako in the next year, this year, and the next 2 years or the next 5 years. So parang kumbaga gusto ko master ngayon yung pagkakaroon lang ng parang kahit draft lang ng life plan ko for the next couple of years. Para alam ko lang kung anong direction or anong ano natin, anong way or path yung i-pursue natin. Ikaw naman, what's something that you want to master this
Master?
2025?
I-prioritize health ko.
Alam mo, nakailang episodes na tayo.
Puro
Kasi
health
sa'yo.
yan lahat. Ayoko talaga mamatay ng maaga.
Pero that's very important, especially for us, no, Filipino adults. Ang dami na nating problema.
Dadagdagan
health.
pa.
'Di ba? Tanggalin na natin sa
Very
problema yung health.
Oo.
Magpahinga. Madaling sabihin na magpahinga. Pero kung merong time, take a rest, take a breather.
Yun lang siguro. Magulay na siguro talaga.
Hindi ka ba mahilig sa gulay?
Masarap munggo. Oo.
Munggo?
Munggo.
Yun lang? Madami gulay.
Ano,
Ang haba ng bahay kubo. Munggo lang.
May munggo ba sa bahay kubo?
Alam mo yung munggo mo, may ano ba yun? May
Hindi,
chicharon,
may
may pork. kaya mo
Hindi,
gusto yung
may
munggo.
kasama ng kalabasa. May alugbati na.
Mm.
Yun. Kayo
Hindi ko alam, nakalimutan.
Kunwari, samgyup kayo. Lettuce lang kainin. Buwang ka talaga.
Nakalimutan ko yung parang, kada anong araw gani, nagmamunggo dapat?
Kada Friday. Oo.
Hindi, sabi nila ganun.
Sabi lang din ni Papa, parang kahapon ko lang din
Or
alam.
hindi ko, nakalimutan ko. Feeling ko parang may reason yun na parang, siguro nagtitipid na.
Hindi.
Magmunggo na lang.
Hindi ko alam. Tanungin ko Papa, tawagan ko siya.
So, comment down below.
Bakit? Bakit munggo on Friday?
Friday ba siya?
Friday!
Parang dapat Monggo Mondays, di ba? Kasi, anyway.
Monday.
So yun, sa mga guys,
days.
prioritize your health.
Yeah, kala ko gina-exaggerate. Hindi talaga.
Importante yun, especially sa edad nila.
Uy! Lalo na sa
lumalabas
mga,
na.
Yung mahilig magpuyat. Yeah. Yun, kasama yan. Yan ang pag-prioritize ng health. Pag-prioritize ng health dyan. Kasama ang quality na sleep.
Importante.
Gano. Hindi lang yan basta-basta yung...
Hindi yung basta
Kain.
2 hours.
Oo. Huh?
2 hours.
Wala. Dapat talaga. 6 to 8 hours tayo.
6 to 8 hours.
Oo.
Or 9.
Oo.
Tapos tubig, guys. Tubig.
9. Sobra na.
Tubig. Water. Intake.
Water intake pa.
Huwag puro alak. Huwag puro coke.
Oo. Kailangan nyo i-prioritize yung health nyo. Yeah.
Health is wealth.
Magpa-check up na ngayon kasi 2025.
Yes.
Yes, full body check up.
Check tayo. Sabay-sabay tayo, guys.
Lalo rin mahilig mag-inom. Mag-shot. Yan. Nagpaano ko na ultrasound ako dati.
Shot ba? Shot.
Magpa-shot. Hindi, mag-shot na drinks. Yung mahilig
Iba ba yung shot niya?
Ay,
Oo,
akala
iba
ko
pa yun. Yun, yung mga mag-inom-inom ng Red Horse dyan.
Walang brand.
Uy, mahilig ng beer dyan. Ay, ako na, tama ko na. Okay, direct.
beer, paano bang alcoholic? Siguro,
Oo.
bawas-bawasan. Lesson lang natin.
I mean,
Yeah.
occasionally, okay lang.
Oh,
Pero,
yan.
no,
Oo.
pero ako, ayaw na talaga, guys.
Wag na.
Okay na.
Tapos na ako, guys.
May mga face talaga na ganyan, no? Parang gusto mo lang maging drunk.
Tsaka yung
Drunk party.
hangover kasi the next day. Diba? Hangover the next day. Parang ganito.
Uy, oo.
Uy, wala ka.
Wala kaming inom
Alcohol
dito.
intake. Walang alcohol intake.
Wala.
Oo.
Wala.
Never juice lang
Coffee
kami.
intake.
Nagtitwitch na nga yung ano na.
Yung
Sa
nag-twitch.
kakakape.
Oo. Yun lang. Iced coffee is life talaga.
O kung gusto nyo hot.
Oo.
Hindi naman
Ano,
namin
hot
naiyak
coffee. Oo. We priority. Basta kape. Oo.
Sa mga mahilig sa kape dyan, hello.
Oo.
Kita hits.
Sa...
I-ano lang.
Joke lang, joke.
Kanina ka pa, Noy.
Joke lang.
Katulugo na dyan, di ba?
Anyway,
Oo.
ikaw,
Oo.
Enya,
Yeah.
what's parang an essential skill?
Yeah.
Skill?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ano, independence.
Yun, o. Tulad
Ginaw
ng
na.
oo.
So kayo, kung ano,
O
kung may
baka may
mga
ma-share sila
skills
na
kayo,
tips para sa yung
Oo,
kanilang life
sa amin.
skills na parang
Sa amin.
Actually, guys,
Oo.
talaga,
ano
we're
lang.
dumping our mga struggles in life.
Mm.
So, kayo yung
So,
magbibigay ng
Either
kung may maganda kayong tips and
lalo
life
share man
hacks.
din natin sa
Actually,
other ano.
your advices is also shared for everybody.
Yeah.
Kasi
oo.
we're a community. I hope we're
Yeah.
growing.
I hope so.
Yeah.
I hope we're growing.
Yes.
Tapos malay mo no, yung parang maglagay sila ng life skills nila tapos parang, ganito pala yun.
Ano?
Tapos makita ng iba na, yun ay susundin nila.
Kaya,
Parang ganun.
At least may, based on your experience, diba? May matutunan kami from that.
Yeah.
Para mas ma-improve namin yung adult life
Yeah.
namin.
Oo. Adult life natin lahat talaga.
Natin
Yung
lahat. Kaming mga magbabasa and makikinig sa inyo.
Sabi nila, usually daw yung mga nagaturo, mas nare-retain kasi sa kanila. Parang mas napafollow daw nila kapag nagaturo sila. So hopefully, pag turo nila sa atin,
Ma-follow natin.
parang ma-follow din nila. Sila din.
practice what you preach.
Yeah.
So yun lang. No, parang this is really showing na parang talagang ninanavigate pa talaga natin yung adulting. Kasi may mga bagay tayo na hindi natin pa fully alam. Or, di ba?
I feel like I know I say na I'm a Gen Z and I'm an adult, pero feeling ko sometimes I am not an adult.
Yung parang medyo ano pa ba?
It's a mindset siguro.
Exactly, it's a mindset.
Parang feeling ni Anya, I'm still a kid. Still young.
Tapos
Gen Z
bigla ang
vibes.
hinapak ka ng adulting. Parang
Kaya nga,
ganun.
Diba?
Yeah.
Minsan isang slap na adulting.
Ay,
Hoy,
okay.
Parang, hoy,
eto bills mo.
Ah,
Ito utilities.
oo.
Diba? So, yun.
Oo. Yun din.
Yun. Thank you so much. If you guys should share
Biglaan to.
your tips and tricks on how to really do this adulting life and how we can improve our 2025 also, diba?
Yes.
And ngayon, pag-uusapan natin crisis mode.
Crisis mode.
Yes.
I'm currently in crisis.
So yung crisis mode natin, guys, everyone, our crisis mode for this week is finances.
Oh my God.
Save, spend, and budgeting in 2025.
Oh my God.
Share your stories about those because
Wala talaga, guys. Wala akong story. Ang story ko lang is I'm in crisis.
yes,
Wala,
same here.
Same here.
We are all in
We are
crisis.
all in this.
So, nakaabot ng HSM, siya yun.
Yeah.
Matanda na siya nung lumabas yung High School Musical.
Hindi, baby pa ako.
Naabutan namin ng musical, no?
Lemonade Mouth.
Ano yan? Wala na talaga kulam dyan. Anong ba?
Speaking of musicals, maganda yung, The Color Purple.
I haven't watched that.
Ano yan?
Ano yung isa pa?
Talagang tinitest talaga yung aking. Parang nafe-feel ko na yung age ko.
Diba?
Oo.
Kayo, may mga musicals ba kayong
Yes, go comment below, guys. I am a big theater nerd.
Saka napanood niyo ba 2 months ago yung Wicked?
2 months ago na ba?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Almost 2 months
2 months
ago.
ago. Aww.
Uy,
Slay! Slay! Slay!
Slay.
Harry and Cynthia, grabe.
ko alam yun.
Di ba? 100% yun.
Oh.
Singing live. Sample.
Gravity.
Yes.
Ah.
Popular. I wanna be popular.
Ayan.
Oo. Kung may entertainment agency dyan,
Ano,
Yes,
Ah.
aside
Yes.
Viva.
Yeah.
Uy.
Viva talaga. Uy, nag-drop ka na naman.
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
O Star
Viva.
Magic.
Oh, Star Magic.
Diba? Sparkle. Go.
Yeah.
Diba? Enya, here.
Yeah.
Call
yeah,
her.
Yeah.
Call us.
Manager ko po.
Yes.
Yeah.
Bata ko yan eh. Mga bata ko din.
Simula bata niya. Na-nurture mo siya eh.
Copyright.
Na-nurture.
Anyway guys, so before kami mawala, no?
Uy, mawala.
Sa flow ng ating
Yeah.
podcast for this week,
Okay.
share your stories about finances, kung paano kayo mag-save, paano kayo mag-spend, paano kayo mag-budget this 2025,
Yeah.
anong dapat naming matutunan in terms of like credit card, insurances, investments, what else? What else?
Insurance.
Savings.
Insurance. Tama.
Nasabi ko
Sabi
na.
mo na.
Kung ano pa? Kung ano pa yung na-miss namin?
Taxes.
Taxes, yes.
So, as mga
Pay your taxes,
freelance,
guys.
saka
Kahit na
mga
hindi natin
self-employed.
hindi natin nakikita
Mga
yung taxes
business.
natin, pero pay your taxes.
Yeah.
Diba?
Oo.
It's a hard pill to swallow, pero
Hindi talaga
let's
tinuturo
not
yan.
Let's not
become them
Yeah.
or like them.
Oo. Whoever they are,
Uh-huh.
They are a lot
of
of
people that governs the country.
there are a lot of headaches
Yeah.
for the Filipino people.
Whoever they
Oo.
are, don't be like them. Don't put on
Yes.
their level.
Yes.
And also, to end this podcast, finally, Happy New Year. Happy
Happy New
2025.
Year!
This has been like this
2025.
episode.
Yeah.
Feeling ko entails our
Parang,
year. Chaotic, but we survived.
oo.
Ang gulo namin.
Ang gulo. Parang,
Yes.
ito yung pinaka parang, parang, ito yung pinaka season na
Season,
episode.
guys.
Ito.
Yeah.
Parang
Season,
siguro,
entails or ano talaga,
Diba yung
personality.
energy namin, highs and
Energy.
lows.
Highs and
Oo,
lows.
grabe talaga. Season talaga eh.
Yeah.
Sabi
Pero-
nila, bakit dapat di season? Roller coaster.
Guys, budget namin.
Oo, season lang talaga. So, yeah.
So our question of the day or our QOTD, we've answered this already earlier. So which one adulting skill every young person should learn? Yun, gusto namin itanong sa inyo, ano yung mga skill talaga na dapat matutunan ng mga growing kid or growing young adults in life? And yeah, we'd love to hear from you.
Mm-hmm.
Tag us, comment down below. Let's continue the conversation at Seesaw PH on socials.
Discord, X, TikTok, and Instagram, and all social media handles are at
Seesaw
Seesaw PH.
And yun, that's it for today.
Uh-huh.
Happy New Year again.
Happy New
Happy
Year.
2025.
2020.
Happy New Year, guys.
New Year.
I'm so proud of you.
Yeah,
I'm so
kinaya.
proud of you. Ikaw.
Sino yan?
Ikaw. You.
Yes,
Kayla.
June 2025.
We're so proud of you guys.
Yeah.
Kung ano yung na-accomplish nyo or hindi nyo, tinatry nyo i-accomplish last year.
Yeah.
But this is a new year. Siguro be kind to yourself. Again, na kung hindi nyo man natapos o na-accomplish or na-fulfill yung mga
Okay lang yan.
responsibilities nyo
Okay
last
lang.
year, this is another year for us to do that. Another
Yes.
opportunity, another chance for us to, alam mo yan, to make bawi sa
Oo.
previous selves natin.
And also, if you have any manifestations
Yun.
for this
Lalo
year,
na.
we're rooting for you or manifesting with you.
Yeah.
Sana
Mau
by next year.
Next year.
Sana
Mas
2026
natin
na.
talaga na we've made it.
Oo.
We've made it.
Yeah.
Sana yung mga manifestations
Yeah.
happen. And,
Hopefully,
yeah.
makasama natin sila hanggang
Yes!
next
yun
year
din.
nun.
Sana, we will meet some of you guys.
Oo.
If,
If time
Oo.
time
and budget
budget
persists,
and
permits. Sorry,
Ah.
persists.
Persis ba? Permits. Okay lang.
Permit.
Oh, permits. Oh, okay lang.
Di ba?
Persis ba o permits?
Ano na
Basta,
kami?
ayun na yun.
Yeah.
Alam niyo yun,
Nakaintindihan
malaki na
naman
kayo.
tayo eh.
You're old enough to understand.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
Happy New Year. New Year, New
Oo.
You.
New
Kung
Year,
hindi
New
naman
Year.
gusto magbago, di ba?
Oo.
At least,
Nasa sa inyo na yun.
stronger and better
Oo.
versions of yourself.
Yeah.
Tama, di ba, Ate
Right.
Karel?
Hey!
Uy, sino na mga magba-birthday dyan, tatanda na rin.
Yeah.
Dalawa.
And also, sa mga may gustong mag-travel this year, share niyo sa amin
Yeah.
kung ano mga travel.
Oh, saan?
Saan niyo gusto lumipad? Or kahit swim.
Oo.
Diba? This 2025.
Oo.
Share that with
Oo.
us. Malay mo, makita-kita
Anything.
tayo there.
Yeah.
Sa airport. Diba?
Airport.
Oo. Sa Cebu lang na airport siguro. Ay! Oh my God.
So, yun. See you guys. And for next episode, we'll be talking about something that is close to our hearts as well as Filipino adults and professionals. Because we'll be talking about work, finally career, work,
Yeah,
profession,
career.
culture.
Start din sa new year natin.
Yeah. Lalo na gusto nila ma-improve din siguro yung kanilang careers for 2025.
Mga work survival, side hustles,
Oh.
and how we make it work.
Yeah.
No pun intended. Yun
Oh.
Thank you so much and see you soon.
See you soon. Bye. Happy New Year.
You're the best.
Thanks for tuning in to Seesaw the podcast. We hope you enjoyed today's conversation.
Don't forget to subscribe on YouTube, Spotify, and Apple Podcasts to catch new episodes every week.
Follow us at CISOPH on Instagram, TikTok, X, and join our community on Discord. Let's continue the conversation. Kita kids, this is Seesaw the podcast.